Okay, let's do it. I had to switch batteries on my video camera too. I gotta remember what I'm doing here, huh? I wasn't gonna really use these yellow ones on here, but I did temporarily. Okay, I have to remember those two were together from before because I'm wanting to flip-flop these around, okay? So these two wires were together, right? And they're coming from there, so now I'm going to put these two together right here. I'm just flipping the wires. Oh, we're gonna see what happens. And I believe it's going to work. If it doesn't work, I want to be scratching my head like, what the heck is going on? Because as I told you, I don't work on landscape lighting. The only landscape lights I've ever worked on was replacing a light bulb once upon a time. Never wiring up the whole system or adding a light or anything, okay? So we're gonna see. Okay, I just want to make sure that those connections are together. I don't think I've done anything different to this system, okay? Now I'm going to turn the lights. In fact, I don't want you to think I'm doing any monkey business here. Let's just go over here. This better work. The timer's right here. I've got the timer off right now. See, this is when it goes on. It goes on at 8 at night. This is where it clicks. See, I heard it click, and I can hear it humming. Okay. Now, I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that those lights are working. And I don't know if they are. I don't think they are. Could it be possible that when I hooked the wires together, it burned out these light bulbs? I don't know. Good grief. It could have been possible. I don't know. Now I've got to think about it. See if I'm pretty sure I've got those wires together, and maybe these lights are burned out. I don't know 100%. I might have to think about this thing here for a minute.